In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to improve your team's workflow or streamline communication, this integration can be a game changer. Let's get started right away. First, head over to your favorite browser and type in Trello.com to navigate to the Trello homepage. Once there, you'll notice the familiar Login button at the top right corner. Give that a click and you'll be on your way to accessing your Trello account. Now you have the option to log in using either your email, or if you prefer you can use your Google account. Choose whichever method suits you best, and once you're logged in you'll find yourself on your Trello boards page. Here focus your attention on the Your Workspaces section, which is usually located on the left side of your screen. It's a good practice to ensure you're in the right workspace before moving on. Next, you'll want to click on the board you wish to connect with Slack. This should be one that you use frequently, or that would benefit from the enhanced communication capabilities Slack integration can offer. Upon entering the board, find the workspace settings. Sometimes this is tucked away in a menu, so it might take a second to locate it. Once you've found the settings, dive into them to continue our journey. Within the workspace settings, keep an eye out for an option that says Add to Slack. Clicking on this will initiate the integration process between Trello and Slack, effectively bridging your communication and project management tools together. A new window will emerge, guiding you through the permissions required for Trello to communicate with your Slack workspace. Here you'll click Allow, giving Trello the necessary access to interact with Slack's system on your behalf. The process doesn't stop there. You'll repeat this step once more to ensure Trello has all the permissions it requires. After the second confirmation, you'll receive a notification letting you know that your Slack has been successfully linked to Trello. This seamless integration allows you to receive updates directly within Slack whenever there's activity on your selected Trello board, saving you the hassle of switching back and forth between platforms. Congratulations, you've now successfully integrated Trello and Slack. This will undoubtedly boost your productivity, keeping everything in one cohesive workflow. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can always revisit your settings or check out Slack's and Trello's support pages for further assistance. And there you have it, an effective way to streamline your project management and communication with just a few simple clicks. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.